Stellantis is exploring a new way to make turbocharged engines feel stronger the moment drivers press the accelerator. The company's Street and Racing Technology division has introduced an experimental system called eBoost Air, a technology designed to reduce turbo lag while delivering a much quicker burst of power. The prototype was developed in only 7 weeks and has already been installed on a twin turbocharged 3-liter Hurricane high output inline 6 engine inside a Jeep Grand Cherokee test vehicle. While the project is still in the concept stage, it gives a glimpse of what future high-performance engines could become if the technology reaches production. Unlike a traditional turbocharger that depends entirely on exhaust gases, the eBoost Air system uses a 48-volt electric compressor to supply boost almost instantly. Working alongside an electronically controlled bypass valve and an energy storage unit, the system rapidly pushes compressed air into the engine before the exhaust-driven turbochargers have fully built pressure. According to the development team, the electric compressor can produce 10 pounds per square inch of boost in only 650 milliseconds. Even though the energy storage system currently limits operation to about 3 seconds, that brief window is enough to transform the vehicle's initial acceleration and greatly reduce the hesitation normally associated with larger turbochargers. The prototype also delivers a noticeable performance increase. Engineers say the modified Hurricane engine produces about 640 horsepower and approximately 600 pound-feet of torque. That represents an increase of roughly 90 horsepower over the standard high-output version, thanks to a combination of calibration changes, a revised compression ratio, drivetrain improvements, and the new electric compressor technology. Street and Racing Technology executives believe this is only the beginning. With proof that the concept works, engineers are now studying better energy storage solutions and exploring additional ways to integrate the system into future performance vehicles. They have not confirmed whether eBoost Air will appear on upcoming production models or become available through aftermarket performance packages. If the technology eventually reaches customers, it could change the way turbocharged engines deliver power. Drivers would enjoy the efficiency benefits of turbocharging while experiencing much quicker throttle response and stronger acceleration from low engine speeds, creating a driving experience that feels both more powerful and more immediate.